keys to a good self-leveler pour is all the prep. This stuff flows like water, so you want to make sure every opening is sealed. Even a small pinhole will drain a bunch of this. Different pours together and just creating a little bit of, I'm breaking the surface tension so it helps it level itself out. Okay, so we just got done with the self-leveler pour. This one was only 8 bags, so it went quick. Keys to a good self-leveler pour is all the prep. This stuff flows like water, so you want to make sure every opening is sealed. Even a small pinhole will drain a bunch of this. Then we had our pins that set our height. We lasered the whole thing, set our heights for everything so we know how deep to fill it up. Mixing it quick and consistent is the other key. So we have a water dowser, measures the water, puts it in each bucket. We mix it, we use a vacuum, cut down on the dust so we're not breathing the dust. And it's just getting it as close to being ready as possible, just assembly line style. We get all the bags here, open all the bags, have everything ready. And then as soon as we start, it's go time. And would that take 15 minutes, something like that?
Yep.
It's quick. This product here is walkable in 2 hours. It creates its own heat. I can already feel the heat coming off of it, and we just finished it. Here in about half an hour, it'll be over 100 degrees in here, and that will set up completely, and we'll be walking on it in 2 hours.